Odisha Vigilance seized suspected ill-gotten money of rupees 15 lakh from Chitrakonda Block's Assistant Executive Engineer Pavitra Mohan Panigrahi today. Vigilance has received allegations that the Assistant Executive Engineer collected bribes from contractors. The Vigilance team intercepted Panigrahi at Gobindapalli Chowk and seized the amount. Union Health Minister and BJP National President JP Nadda inaugurated a 3-day training camp for party MLAs and MPs in Puri today. The event began on the evening of April 11 and will run till April 13. JP Nadda shared a strategic roadmap for party leaders emphasizing grassroots engagement and ethical governance. Puri Jagannath Temple's administrator Arbinda Kumar Padhi has reviewed the restoration efforts for the Sri Mandir's Ratna Bhandar. Sharing updates via his X account, Padhi highlighted the advancements in the repair and preservation work undertaken by the Archaeological Survey of India ASI in collaboration with the local administration. 2 men accused of raping a 15-year-old girl were injured in police encounter in Jharsuguda district today. The 2 accused have been identified as Sheikh Assis and Abhishek Bade. Police fired them in retaliation of their firing. They were arrested on the charges of raping a minor girl in the Belapahad area. 3 terrorists, including Jaish-e-Mohammed top commander Saifullah, were killed in a 3-day-long anti-terrorist operation in Jammu Kashmir's Kishtwar district, officials said today. 1 terrorist was killed in this joint operation yesterday. On the occasion of Sri Hanuman Jayanti today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi extended warm greetings and wished for health, happiness and prosperity for all. He was joined in greeting the nation by a host of top BJP leaders. Union Home Minister Amit Shah extended warm greetings to the nation and wished for strength, wisdom, intelligence and long life. Digital payments via Unified Payments Interface (UPI) returned for most users after the popular service suffered a nationwide outrage affecting millions of users. After hours of halt, users reported successful digital payment via smartphone apps. Earlier on the day, digital services on several online payment platforms were disrupted across the country, hindering local shopping, bill payments and business transactions. Heavy losses to Maoists were reported in the Bhairamgarh area in Chhattisgarh during an encounter between security forces and Red Rebels today. Police officials said that significant losses have been inflicted on Maoists in the Indrabati region of Bijapur district. They said a clear picture of losses suffered by Maoists would emerge once the operation is over. Chennai Super Kings veteran Mahendra Singh Dhoni, who took the charge of the side mid-season against Kolkata Knight Riders KKR, raised issues in their batting lineup following their 5th loss on the trot. Scoring 103 runs, CSK lost to KKR by 8 wickets within 59 balls to spare. Dhoni said that they flattered in building partnerships and utilizing the power play to the fullest. "I felt we didn't have enough run on the board," said Dhoni.